my dear students of class 4. How are you all? Welcome you back in my geography class. In the last video, we discussed about the Ganga Basin, from where the river Ganga originated. We get to know about the two branches into which the river Ganga splits up after reaching West Bengal. We also get to know the names of the states that lies in the Ganga Basin. As we all know that the northern plains are divided into three basins. We have already discussed about the two basins, that is the Satluj Basin, which is located in the west, and the Ganga Basin in the middle. So today in this video we will discuss about the Brahmaputra Basin, which is located in the east. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. The river Brahmaputra starts in Tibet and originates from a glacier. Here is the river Brahmaputra, which starts in Tibet, that is in China, and here it is known as Tsangpo. What it is known as? It is known as Tsangpo. Now, the river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. So it enters India through Arunachal Pradesh, and here it is known by different names, and then it flows through Assam. Brahmaputra Basin is a narrow strip in the state of Assam. So after flowing through Arunachal Pradesh, it flows through Assam and then it reaches Bangladesh. Now before reaching Bangladesh, it is joined by the Teesta River. Now as it reaches Bangladesh, here the name of Brahmaputra changes to Jamuna. So in Bangladesh, the river Brahmaputra is known as Jamuna. And after reaching the Bangladesh, the river Ganga is known as Padma. So both the river Padma and Jamuna, that is river Ganga and Brahmaputra, after reaching Bangladesh, both their names get changed. Both join and flows as Meghna before draining their water in Bay of Bengal. So don't get confused with Yamuna. Yamuna is a tributary of Ganga and Jamuna is the name of Brahmaputra after it reaches Bangladesh. So after reaching Bangladesh, the Padma, that is the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, that is the Jamuna, both meet and flows as Meghna. Here you can see that the Ganga and Brahmaputra forms the largest delta, that is Sundarban Delta. So here the Ganga and Brahmaputra forms the largest delta, that is the Sundarban Delta. So what we can see that the river Brahmaputra, it starts from Tibet, and here as it starts in Tibet, it starts from a glacier and it is known as Tsangpo. As it reaches India through Arunachal Pradesh, here it is known by different names, and then it flows in Assam. So which is the state that lies in the Brahmaputra Basin? It is Assam. Here Brahmaputra Basin is a narrow strip in the state of Assam. Then it reaches Bangladesh, where it is known as Jamuna, and it is joined by the Tista river, and Poddo and Jamuna together flows as Meghna before draining their water into Bay of Bengal. Here the Ganga and the Brahmaputra forms the world's largest delta, that is the Sundarban Delta. So what we learned in today's video, we learned about the Brahmaputra basin, that from where it starts, where it enters India, and where the basin is formed. Then when it reaches Bangladesh, what is the name of Brahmaputra, and together Poddo and Jamuna flows as Meghna before draining into Bay of Bengal, and the Ganga and Brahmaputra formed the world's largest delta, that is the Sundarban Delta. I hope so all of you understood. So what you will do, you will read your books, you will go through the books, you will read the PDF that is already provided in the description box. If you have any suggestion or any problem, you can comment in the comment box given below. If you like my video and my content, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and do hit the bell icon for the further notifications of my upcoming videos. Till then, stay safe and stay at your home. Thank you.